So we do have the car jacked up on 2 stands. Very sketchy, but I don't even know if I have to take the front tire off to get underneath to the transmission. But I'm gonna find out in a second. Boy, I am not feeling this. Anything to save some money, huh? I guess. So, I'm trying to locate the transmission gear. The mounts, where they go. So I'm thinking I may have to take this tire off. That's what I'm thinking. Alright. Let me see if I can get to this without doing so much. But yeah, I'm believing that I have to take the car, take it all the way up so that this way I can get underneath here. I think the transmission is right up there. Yeah, that's the transmission right there. So if I can get those, I'm gonna have to lift the transmission up too with that jack over there. Oh gosh, mechanics get money for a good reason. This is crazy. Okay, all right. Let me pause it and I'll be back once I figure out what I'm doing.